Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to install Tachiyomi on your Android. So the first step you have to take is to go to your Play Store app. We all know that on a Play Store app, if you try searching for this Tachiyomi app, you're not going to find it on your Play Store app. So the best way to find it is to go to your browser. So I'm going to my Chrome browser. So right here, I'll just type in Tachiyomi. Click on this website. So right here, just scroll to the very end. You're going to see Tachiyomi download, Tachiyomi extension, Tachiyomi old version. So just click on download and it's going to download to your device. So guys, I was able to download Tachiyomi app to my phone. You just have to click on it from the download option, click on the install option now to install it, and you can now open it on my device. Click on the open option here. So as you can see, I was able to download and install Tachiyomi on my device. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.